Alright, the first thing you want to do is get Helldivers 2, because in Helldivers 2, there's a weapon called the Flamethrower, and it works just like a spray cannon primer. You're going to want to practice this first, otherwise you'll end up spraying too much on the model and accidentally obscure the small detail within the model. But then again, what kind of idiot would accidentally commit such a soul-crushing mistake? After enough practice, you'll need the actual cannon primer. Depending on the type and the color, you'll have to shake it. For regular primers like black, you'll need to shake it for about 5 minutes. However, for metallic primers, such as Retribution Gold, it needs a lot more spinning. You're gonna have to shake that shit like it's a Beyblade for about 30 minutes, otherwise the end product's gonna come out grainy and horrible. And how do I know this? Well, find a place that's well vented and make sure it's not humid. My recommendations are backyards on a good weather, garages, or basement parking lots. Use newspapers or cardboards to base your models, and get a pair of rubber gloves as well. Ideally, you'll want to spray the model from 20 to 30 centimeters away from them and try to get a good saturation on the models. Try not to spray too many at once if you're new to this. It's a lot easier to spray smaller groups at a time to make sure that you've done a good coverage on all of the models. Regardless, if you're trying to prime a small batch or a large batch, you'll want to give a second coat if there's enough parts of the model you weren't able to saturate with the primer. These are usually inside of capes, bottom up angle of a model, or even angles of a model that was missed. It's usually not a big deal, just reposition the model and give them a quick spray to seal the deal. Well, there you have it folks, now you know how to use a flamethrower and a spray can.